Danmark er altid mit hjem. Altså, jeg har boet over i 5 år nu, så det er rart at komme rigtig hjem. Og så er jeg ikke specielt med mig på ryggen og sådan, det er nice. Det var sådan noget
Messi?
Ja, det var fedt. Så har jeg...
Så skulle jeg ønske et nummer, eller vil bare sige, at du gør det?
Nej, han skulle bare lige op, og du ved, han skulle bare lige være der. Jeg tror ikke, manden drikker, du ved, jeg ved det jo ikke. Men lige så var han bare, det var sindssygt. Så skulle jeg i New York.
About this is story suppression. You have a big guy trying to punish a news outlet for something that they put out there into the world. They decide to punish that organization not only as payback, but most likely to give a statement to the entire community. You put something out that we don't like, you're cut off. We'll keep talking about it on this show until, I don't know, the old guys in boardrooms finally understand, or eventually they die off and try to hide something. Suppress something, especially by trying to hurt or punish others. All you're doing is making it so that people like myself become even more interested.
That is all for today. Here are some recommendations for you. Please click on the screen now to watch the next video. See you next time.
Oh, that's really funny.
Yeah, you're busted.
How did you think that was going to go?
Yeah, not well for anybody involved. All right, we need to go
Keep left onto
forward.
Wacker Drive, Harrison.
Well, don't stop there.
Well, he has to.
Generally 15 years. And we are told each time that that is rarely given, and that is exactly the case. Parole hearings is like a funeral all over again. The toll that those parole hearings take on the families of the victims, I don't think...
Can't do that.
He's gonna pull him over.